Hello class 2, good afternoon. So class 2, as we have discussed question answers and antonyms in the live class, it was all oral. Now here in this video class I'm going to give you the written work, that what you have to write in the notebook. Although I have made you understand, then too it was a need to prepare a video on it. So the first thing that you will do for chapter 6, the greatest treasure, is you have to write the new words. You have to write the new words in your notebook. Okay. So I am just giving you the performer that how you have to maintain the notebook for this new chapter. Chapter 6. What is chapter 6? Chapter 6 is the greatest treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Greatest treasure. The first thing that you need to do in your notebook is write the new words. What you need to do first? You need to write new words first. Then you need to write words meanings. Words meanings in your notebook. Okay? This will take approximately 2 to 3 pages. Okay? After that, after new words and words meanings, you have to write question answers. So here I am with question answers. The new words and the word meanings you can write from the notes that we have given to you, and it is available on the school online app. Okay? So let us start today's work with question answers. Okay? मैम ये होप कर रही है कि आप न्यू वर्ड्स एंड वर्ड मीनिंग्स नोटबुक में पहले लिखोगे. पहले वर्ड मीनिंग, पहले न्यू वर्ड्स, फिर वर्ड मीनिंग, देन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ओके? सो हियर आई एम विद A2 exercise and A2 exercise from page number 57, and it is answer these questions. Answer these questions. The first question is, what kind of a boy do you think Peter was? Peter कैसा लड़का था? आपको क्या लगता है? WHAT, what? Kind of a boy do you think Peter was? What kind of a boy do you think Peter was? So Peter was a courageous and an adventurous boy. The answer goes like this. Peter was a courageous, C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S. boy. So this is question number 1 and answer number 1. What kind of a boy do you think Peter was? Peter was a courageous and an adventurous boy. Now we will write question number 2. Write it down fast so that I could write question number 2. Have you all written? Now question number 2 is, do you know of any other famous stories where a young boy is happily roaming with all kinds of animals in the forest? क्या आपको कोई भी एक दूसरी स्टोरी पता है? ऐसी भी कोई एक फेमस स्टोरी जिसमें एक बॉय सारे एनिमल्स के साथ फ्रीली, हैप्पीली जंगल में घूम रहा है? As we have discussed and you have answered me that Mowgli was a boy and the story was The Jungle Book. Okay, so I'm going to write question number 2 here. The question is lengthy as well as the answer is lengthy, but the question is very easy and answer too is very easy. Do you know of any other famous stories? Do you know of any other famous story of any other famous story, S-T-O-R-Y, story, where W-H-E-R-E, where a young boy is happily roaming, R-O-A-M-I-N-G, roaming means घूमना, roaming with all kinds of animals in the forest. And question mark. The question is, do you know any other famous stories where a young boy is happily roaming with all kinds of animals in the forest? So, the answer is yes. We know the story of Mowgli. So, I am erasing answer number 1 and question number 1 and I will write answer number 2 on the top. Don't get confused. Confused nahi hona hai. The answer is as simple as the question is. Only they are lengthy. So, questions long hai और answer भी long है, but it is very easy. Yes. The jungle. J is capital, T is capital because it's a special name. I have told you that the names are always special. The jungle book, inverted comma, close, where he, H-E-E, he is told for Mowgli because Mowgli is a boy, or Mowgli was a boy in the story. He is happily, H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily roaming, R-O-A-M-I-N-G, roaming with all kinds of animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals in the forest. Here your exercise A2 is done. Exercise A2 is done. Okay? So I need to erase it. I need to erase it. So you should write fast. One more time, I am reading the question as well as the answer. Question number 2. Do you know of any other famous stories where a young boy is happily roaming with all kinds of animals in the forest? The answer is yes. We know the story of Mowgli, the Jungle Book, where he is happily roaming with all kinds of animals in the forest. I will keep it for 1 more minute. Then I will erase it. And we will move towards A3, that is think and answer. Write fast. 1 more minute. Yes, don't forget to write date. I have not mentioned, but you should mention the date. I am going to erase it. I have to write 2 long answers yet. Okay, so this was E2 exercise. Answer these questions from page number 57. And now we are going to do A3, think and answer. The same we have discussed earlier in the live class. मैम ने लाइव क्लास में सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. And for my surprise, my all students are very bright. मेरे सारे बच्चे इतने अच्छे हैं, they are intelligent कि उन्होंने भी मुझे इसका right answer दिया था. Okay, so I am here to start A3, that is you can answer. And here the first question is, if Peter and his friend would not have met turtle, अगर पीटर और उसके फ्रेंड्स टर्टल से ना मिले होते, if Peter and his friends, friends, friends would not have met turtle, see, turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. I am writing turtle with a capital T, with the capital T, because turtle is the character of the story and a character is always a special name, so it should start with a capital letter. Turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. If Peter and his friends would not have met turtle, could they have crossed the ocean? Could. C-O-U-L-D, could. They have crossed the ocean. क्या बिना टर्टल की मदद से पीटर और उसके फ्रेंड्स ओशन क्रॉस कर पाते? What do you think? आपको क्या लगता है? भाई हमें तो लगता है कि अगर पीटर और उसके फ्रेंड्स टर्टल से नहीं मिले होते तो वो ओशन क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते थे. The answer is Peter and his friends could not have crossed the ocean Peter and see in the notes, मैडम ने जो नोट्स दिया है आपको, by mistakenly I have written there. मैम ने नोट्स में mistakenly there लिख दिया है, so this there is not correct. ठीक है, ये there correct नहीं है. You have to write his. Okay, I have written there here so that I could convey you this information that कि मैम ने जो there लिखा है नोट्स में वो wrong है. You have to write Peter and his friends. Peter and his friends could not have crossed the ocean the ocean if they would not have met turtle. Here also I am writing turtle with capital T because turtle is the character of the story and a character is always a special name and and special names are always written with a capital letter. So, the answer is as Peter and his friends could not have crossed the ocean if they would not have met turtle. अगर वो टर्टल से नहीं मिले होते तो ओशन क्रॉस नहीं कर पाते. I am leaving this answer and question for a minute. After that, I would erase it. See, after THINK, think, this question mark is not visible. I should write it again. THINK, think, and a question mark. Now it is visible. Peter and his friends could not have crossed the ocean if they would not have met turtle. Now I am erasing it. Where's my duster? Now I will write question number 2. So what is question number 2? Question number 2 is, do you think team spirit is necessary for a game like treasure hunt? आपको मैम ने बताया था ना टीम स्पिरिट का क्या मतलब है. टीम का मतलब होता है ग्रुप एंड स्पिरिट का मतलब होता है सोच. एक ग्रुप की कैसी सोच होनी चाहिए या एक ग्रुप की क्या फीलिंग होनी चाहिए. एक ग्रुप की वननेस की फीलिंग होनी चाहिए कि हम सब एक हैं और ये इस काम को हमें मिलकर करना है. और जब ऐसा सोचकर टीम मेंबर्स काम करते हैं तो वो अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं. सो दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? द क्वेश्चन वाज, डू यू थिंक टीम स्पिरिट इज नेसेसरी फॉर अ गेम लाइक ट्रेजर हंट? क्या आपको लगता है कि ट्रेजर हंट के लिए टीम स्पिरिट होना जरूरी है? बिल्कुल जरूरी है. इट इज एट मस्ट रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज टीम स्पिरिट helps a team to perform well. टीम स्पिरिट ही टीम को अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए हेल्प करती है. नाउ 8 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, डू यू थिंक टीम स्पिरिट इज नेसेसरी? आफ्टर दैट आई विल एंड माय क्लास. डू यू थिंक, THINK, think, team spirit, TEAMT, it is TEAMT, spirit, SPIRIT. Team spirit is necessary, NECESSARY. necessary का मतलब होता है जरूरत, जरूरी, या necessary का कहीं कहीं मतलब important भी होता है. Okay, so is it important to have team spirit? Yes, it is very important to have team spirit. So the question is, do you think team spirit is necessary for a game like treasure hunt? game like treasure hunt, TREASURE, treasure hunt. Yes, team spirit is necessary for a game like treasure hunt. इसका तो एक ही जवाब है. Yes, it is necessary. So again we will write yes and a comma. Whenever you write or you say yes in any statement, there is a pause after yes. Yes के बाद एक pause आता है, मतलब थोड़ी देर के लिए हम लोग रुकते हैं, just for a second. So that pause is comma. Yes, team spirit is necessary. SPIRIT, team spirit is necessary. Necessary means important. For a game like treasure hunt. TREASURE. Because, क्योंकि BECAUSE, because it helps the team to perform well, because it makes the team, it makes the team perform well. PERFORM, perform well. मैडम ने आपको कल सिखाया था ना, जब भी हम टीम की तरफ से खेलते हैं, it is not necessary that you will win, but it is at most necessary that your performance must be very good. आप जीते या हारे, उससे वो बड़ी डील नहीं है. What's the big deal? The big deal is to perform well. आपकी टीम स्पिरिट आपको अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए हेल्प करे, ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो वन मोर टाइम आई एम speaking out the question and the answer. Question number 2 from A3. Think and answer is, do you think team spirit is necessary for a game like treasure hunt? And the answer is yes. Team spirit is necessary for a game like treasure hunt because it makes the team perform well. Okay? It makes the team perform well. वो एक टीम को अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए हेल्प आउट करती है. Okay? So these were the 2 exercises. A2, answer these questions, and A3, think and answer from your book, chapter number 6, The Greatest Treasure. Okay? So, class 2, now I am ending up my class. That's all for today. Have a nice